What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. All right, so I'm doing a little review here. We bought this at the Home Depot today. I was there last night with my wife and I walked past this thing. It says it's $545 worth of mechanical tools for $100. So, had to buy it. Let's unbox it, see what it's like. So, it's the I like this, look at this. Clickety click. And it's a drawer system, so you just pull out the drawer and you can pull the whole thing out. Awesome. Sit it right on the workbench, sit it right on top of itself. It's got all the bits and the bobs here. 270 piece set. And it looks like it's got metric on this side here and it's got imperial on this side here. Great for working on your car. Has all the Allen keys here. Holy, there's 4 sets of Allen keys here and they go all the way up. And again, they have imperial and metric. You got your little mini ratchet set here. You got your little screwdriver. I don't think that's a ratchet. No, it's not a ratchet screwdriver. You have all your bits for your screwdriver. Great. Again, love that you can do this. Pull it right out. Lovely. I love that when all the bits and the bobs have a little place to go. Keeps them all tidy. Lovely job. This one here now, this is a larger ratchet set. I got all the way up to 11/16 here. And you have the long ones. And then you have the short ones in 11/16. That goes up to 11/16 as well also. And then what's lovely here is, look, these are ratchets. Little star bits, all of this. You got the whole set of them there. They all go right on there. Great. Now finally, let's look at the bottom set here. So you got your, in Europe we call these spanners. You call them wrenches. But I like to still call them spanners. You got a nice big ratchet. And then quality's awesome in these actually. Husky does a great brand, I think. The great thing is there's a lifetime warranty. So I said it to the guy in the store today and he said, yeah, you don't even need the receipt. Just bring it right into the store. If it's broken and we have it in the store, we'll replace it. Can't go wrong. So there you go, guys. Great brand from Husky. I do love Husky tools, I have to say. I use them all the time. I've got all the little Husky bags and everything. Great tool. Great little set. $100 at the Home Depot right now. Go get yourself one. I recommend it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Take care.